one thing that I absolutely love and stood out is the bonding between the kids. Not so often do we actually see bonding between kids, between each other. We see it when we meet up with grown-ups, we go to a workshop or a seminar or anything, but we connect and we bond and we network. And we know that feeling. And that's one of the reasons why we network so much, grown-ups. But with kids, we don't see it much because we see them play around. So we think that, that's how they bond and connect. But there's another connection and there's another bond going on. And that is mental and feeling wise, emotional wise. And you see how one kid, when I ask, so give me examples of a limiting beliefs that you might have and realize. So the kid gives me I have like these thoughts sometimes that my parents will die or something like that. And she said it in a way that you might feel a little bit ashamed, and awkward. I know it's weird. And, and then another kid said, oh no, I also think that. I also fear that my parents are going to die. And then another child, and they were looking at each other like, oh, I'm not crazy. That was just so beautiful to see how at that age already giving them the sense that they're not alone and it's okay to have these feelings and these thoughts and it's not weird.